Hey guys, my name is Bradley Sutton. I am the Director of Training and Success at Helium 10. One of the tips and hacks that I gave the audience out there was about getting in your buyer's mind and how important that is. Sometimes we as sellers forget about it. We think too much like sellers. But as a buyer, they want to have that emotional connection with the product. If they don't understand or they're not tied to a certain brand, they're just looking for a general search, basically the product that they're gonna buy is the one that they feel that most hits their pain points or hits their needs or their wants. And we as Amazon sellers need to understand those points and put that in our listing. So the hack, I guess as it is what I suggest doing is look into your competitor reviews who have similar products to yours and read all of the reviews, see what are the common threads. You can use Helium 10 review downloaders, what I showed them how to do it in like 1 second. You can just click a couple of buttons and see that, for example, for a collagen peptides product, the #1 most talked about thing in the reviews is something you wouldn't have thought about. It's the phrase, "in my coffee." And if you start reading the reviews, you'll see everybody's putting collagen peptides in their coffee. And that might not have been a word you even would have thought about putting in your listing. But as opposed to that, you need to actually put that in the most prominent places, because then a prospective buyer comes along, they read that, wow, I can use this in my coffee? That's exactly why I was looking for collagen peptides. How did they know? Now, they're not gonna keep browsing. No, they found the product that they want because you hit their emotional needs and they're gonna buy your product. So guys, don't forget about your customers' emotions and what their wants, their dreams, their fears are. Capitalize on that, put it in your listing, and you're gonna crush it.